Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add animations in Microsoft PowerPoint. Animations can make your presentation more engaging by adding movement to text, images, and other objects. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint and open your presentation. Now, select the object you want to animate. This could be text, an image, a shape, or a chart. Next, go to the Animations tab at the top of the screen. Here, you'll see different animation effects such as appear, fade, fly in, float in, and more. Click on any animation to apply it to your selected object. To see more animation effects, click the small down arrow in the animation gallery. Once the animation is added, you can customize it using the options in the toolbar. For example, you can change the animation direction, adjust the duration, or set when the animation starts. You can choose On Click to start manually, with Previous to play automatically with another animation, or After Previous to play automatically after another effect. If you want to add multiple animations to the same object, click Add Animation instead of selecting a new effect directly. You can also open the Animation pane to manage the order of your animations and preview how they play. Now go to the Slideshow tab and click From Current Slide to test your animations. Animations can make presentations look more professional and interactive, but try to keep them simple and clean for the best results. And that's it. That's how you add animations in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.